Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching!
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. In today's video, the star is our Perfect Assist Styling Aid. I'm using the Perfect Assist Styling Aid to put box braids in her hair. She previously had her hair silk pressed for a few days, maybe about a week or so, and we just transitioned into box braids to help get her through the rest of the week of school, about a week and a half of school. So that's all we're doing. We're adding box braids. Now, the Perfect Assist Styling Aid is great for protective styles such as these, for natural styles, twist outs, braid outs, even if you want to use perm rods, curl formers. This Perfect Assist Styling Aid takes the place of me using setting lotions. It takes the place, I use it on everything except for silk pressing. Every style you've seen done on this channel, I've used the Perfect Assist Styling Braid to do so. When I've used perm rods, I've used the Perfect Assist Styling Aid. When I've used curl formers, I've used the Perfect Assist Styling Aid. So the Perfect Assist Styling Aid is great for that. Here, I'm just adding a pop of color. Because it is springtime, I'm adding a pop of color. I know spring is not I know red is not a springtime color, but we're just going to pretend that it is because she wanted red. I'm not pushing her head around. It just looks like that because the video is sped up. So we just adding a little bit of red on a few of her braids, not all of them. And as you can see, I had put some Perfect Assist Styling Aid on my fingers because even with synthetic hair, when you get to the end, you have all these little frizzies and little hairs that stick out. Well, the Perfect Assist Styling Aid lays those down as well. So not only does it lay natural hair down, it also lays the synthetic hair down as well. So you don't have to keep, it takes time to trim and clip your client's braids. And that's a time saver for my clients when they do their children's or their client's hair. I gave her a zigzag part, and you will see that coming up. If you are new to my channel and would like to see how I detangle, I'll put a link in the description as well as in the cards. But also, if you are new to my channel, you know that I don't like to grip edges really tight because I like for my edges to live to lay another day. So I don't grip my edges tight. I don't grip my daughter's edges tight. I like for them to live to lay another day. So that's more important to me. So as you'll see later on in the video their edges are not gripped very tight. I grip their edges up, but not very tight because I don't even want to think that I may be pulling out their hair because the braids are also pretty big, so they're kind of heavy as well. But as you can see, I'm just braiding her hair, and this is the zigzag part, and I gave her the zigzag part to give her options to where if she wanted to wear her hair zigzag parted down the middle, she could, or she could have a side part if she wanted a side part. Now, for those of my clients who have very, very dry hair or their children have very, very dry hair, I would suggest using the styling aid along the length of the hair, not very much, just the light hand along the length of the hair, and then when you are done, sitting under the hooded dryer for about 15 or 20 minutes on a warm setting to allow the styling aid to just melt into the hair. And that is a great tip for my ladies who are very, very, very dry, whose hair is very dry, or you live in an area where your hair gets very dry. That is a great tip. The Perfect Assist Styling Aid is great for that. It's just like a hot oil treatment. You just don't rinse it out. So you know how you give your hair a hot oil treatment, and it gives your hair all of this softness and moisture and all of that. But in this case, you don't have to rinse it out. So your hair keeps it. So that's all I'm doing. And I'm using the feed-in method to braid her braids down, and I like that method because I can control how long her braids are. So if you buy shorter packs of hair, you can control how long your child's braids are. Sometimes, we buy the long packs of hair, then their braids are extremely long. And for me, I like age appropriate styles if you're new to my channel as well. First of all, if you're new to my channel, thanks for checking me out, and hit the subscribe button and the notification button to come back over and over again and to see the videos I put up. I put up videos every Monday at 5:30 Pacific time. So if you like what you see, become a part of the family. But as you can see, I'm just showing you the hairstyle it is not completely dry. The Perfect Assist Styling Aid will dry clear. As you can see in the back, it's dried and you can't see anything. It dries clear. So I think that's it, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.